Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So if you want to edit like a pro in CapCut on PC, whether you're a beginner or just looking to upgrade your skills, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step so you can create stunning videos in no time. So let's just get started. So once you open CapCut, you'll see this options in here. So you can just, the first thing to do that you can just click on create projects, and the CapCut editing page will be open, and here you can just import your clips. Just click on this import or drag and drop your files into the media panel. So as this is just an example, so I'm going to just use a video from the CapCut library. Let's say this one in here. You can just enter the clip. Okay, so next, the basic editing. To cut a clip, you can just move the playhead to the right spot and you can hit on split, this one, or you can use the shortcut Control plus B. And if you want to split and delete left side of your video, you can click on this. If you want to delete the right, you can click on this. Let's say I'm going to just delete the left part. As you guys can see, it will automatically split and delete the part that you don't need. You can also trim clips by dragging their edges like this. Click on a clip and drag the edges just like this. If you want smoother storytelling, you can rearrange clips on a timeline by dragging them like this. And if you want to add music and video, you can just go to the audio tab, and here to add a background music or sound effects, you can just click on the sound that you want. For example, in here I'm going to add one of the sound from here. Let's say this one in here. Download it first and then hit on plus icon. And then you can also adjust the volume, add some fade in, and split the audio in here by clicking on the audio, and you can lower the volume in here, add some fade in or fade out effect. Next, add text and title. So CapCut makes adding text easy. You can just go to the text tab in here and you can choose a preset or the text template in here, or you can also create custom animated titles. You can adjust font size, color, and animations to match your video style. So for example, in here I'm going to just use one of the text template. Let's say this one in here as the title. You can here click on the text, click on the plus icon, and you can always change the content by clicking on the text and go to the text box in here and change the text to match your videos. And to make your edit stand out, you can use effects and transitions. So here you can go to effects and find the video effects that you want. For example, I want to add an effect on my opening, this horizontal open. Let's say click on a plus icon and you can see the effect will be applied. And to add transition, you can just go to the transitions tab and just drag them into your clips, or you can just go like this and the transition will be added. And for that police cinematic look, you can just head to adjustment and you can tweak the brightness. You can add the custom adjustment in here. You can tweak the brightness, saturations, exposure, and you can also add a lot of filters. And when you're done, you can just hit on export at the top and choose the resolution that you want and set the frame rate and save your video. And that's how to edit in CapCut like a pro. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more editing tips. Bye!